everyone, welcome to an episode of Cooking with Glencoe. My name is Megan Thomas, and today I'm going to be joined by our very special guest, Phoebe Retzloff.
Hello.
Hi Phoebe, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic.
So let's tell us a little about yourself.
I'm Phoebe. I am a junior at Glencoe. I play soccer and tennis for Glencoe.
Nice, and what will you be cooking for us today?
I am making a Norwegian dish called lefse.
Nice, sounds delicious. Let's get cooking. When did you start learning how to make this dish, Phoebe?
I started learning basically till when my parents allowed me to start cooking in the kitchen. It's kind of like a family dish, so we make it for Thanksgiving, Easter, Christmas, stuff like that.
So you say this dish is Norwegian. Can you tell us a little bit about the origin of that?
Yes, so this dish is a potato-based tortilla, almost is how I normally describe it. And my ancestors, or my great-grandparents, when they made it, they kind of used it as their bread. So they didn't have a lot of bread in Norway, but they do have a lot of potatoes. So they made this, they would make the dough at night, and then they would make this and make a bunch of it early in the morning. And they would kind of use it throughout the day because it doesn't last super long. It lasts maybe 2 days.
All right.
So they'd have to make a lot of it.
Can you explain to us what point in the process you are in right now?
I have floured and I'm now rolling out the dough to make the lefse, and I'm pushing down into the center and then lifting up on the sides.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, Phoebe has entrusted me to try and flip this with her flippy sword thing. So, here we go. Wow, I did so good at that. Thank you. I'm a pro. Thank you guys for watching an episode of Cooking with GHS. Make sure to check Glencoe's Instagram page for more episodes of Cooking with GHS.
Adios.
Bye.